How to understand booking cancellation rules in TripAdvisor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. I'll show you how you can understand the booking cancellation rules and make the cancellation. So open up any browser and head over to tripadvisor.com. Then scroll down to the very bottom and there you'll find Help Center. Tap on it. And then here on the topic for travelers, you'll find various FAQ topics. Tap on refunds and cancellations and then tap on booking cancellations. So now it will show you how you can cancel your bookings. But you can see you need to check the terms and conditions. So this is the section where all the rules for cancellations will be returned. So just follow the steps and then view the terms and conditions by going to your bookings page. So if you have a booking here, you can tap on the booking and then look to the terms and conditions. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.